All right, week 3, and we had some successes, we had some failures. One of the successes got some pretty little stickers all over my bike. I'm pretty happy with it. One small failure, I ended up getting a new pedal kickstand, which actually worked out pretty well from Topeak, the Fat Bike Kickstand, but then I ended up getting these little protector things, and now it doesn't fit at all. So just a small little thing, but I'm pretty happy with these protector arms, so it's worth it. Another small failure, the PDX Origami front fender does not really fit here. I tried so many different ways. The only thing I could really think of to make it work is cut out the area where the tire hits it. So we'll see if that's an option. Otherwise, really solid overall with the Grail on, no complaints. Able to get to 24 miles pretty much consistently every day without a charge, but if I bring my charger with me, I can just rock it on turbo mode the whole time, so pretty fun stuff.